Music Workshop was born in 2012 during a time when many elementary and middle schools were losing music education due to budget cuts and time restrictions. A small group of dedicated parents, teachers, and musicians worked together to create a music education program that would help bring music back into the schools. A free of charge program that any school could have and teach, no matter their means, location, or teacher expertise. In 2013, 10 Oregon schools signed up to give Music Workshop a try. By this time last year, 325 schools were teaching our program in 10 states and 3 countries, educating students about jazz, rock, R&B, classical, piano, guitar, and so much more. In just 1 year, we have had amazing growth. Currently, we are educating over 350,000 students in 900 schools located in 48 states and 13 countries, all the way from South America to Australia. This is because of you, our incredible supporters. This year, our goals are set high, and your help can make them a reality. Your support will help us reach 600 more schools, 240,000 more students, and create 3 new courses, bringing the total of course offerings to 21. Let's work together to educate, inspire, and motivate thousands of students this year through music education.
Music Workshop inspires me to listen to different kinds of music.
Music Workshop inspires me to be a better musician and learn more about the piano.
Music Workshop inspires me to help others learn about new music.
Music Workshop inspires me to play the drums and to learn about other instruments.
Music Workshop inspires me and helps me to learn new music.
Music Workshop inspires me to learn more about music history. Please donate today to inspire students with Music Workshop.
Music inspires me to make a difference in the world.
Music inspires me and motivates me to get through my workouts.
To stay on the sunny side of life.
To dance.
To move faster, longer.
To dream big and see life as a glass half full.
To sing away my stress.
To reach into my inner spirit and to remember those who have touched my life.